Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing this MSI B550 Gaming Plus motherboard. Getting right into the unboxing, under this anti-static bag that it comes packaged in, we have the main star of the show, the actual motherboard. This motherboard also comes included with a couple of SATA cables for your storage. Taking things back to the motherboard, it has a really sleek and solid design. Now for the motherboard itself, it comes with a variety of ports and slots, including 2 M2 slots, 6 SATA ports, multiple USB ports, including a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort. The motherboard itself is atoned for AMD Ryzen processors and has a 4 DDR4 memory slot to support up to 128GB of RAM. However, this motherboard does not come included with Wi-Fi, although you could simply just go ahead and get a Wi-Fi card for that. Overall, this is perfect for those high-performance gaming setups, and I do highly recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching. That just about wraps up for this video.